Okay. So in yesterday's class, we had discussed about, we were discussing, it was not completed, and the topic was we were discussing this topic, HVDC transmission lines. HVDC transmission line. This topic was not completed. Okay, it was just 1/4 part it was completed. So we'll be continuing this. Okay, so HVDC transmission line, as we have discussed earlier, that power will be sent through the generation station. Then transformer will be there, which will be stepping up the voltage. Then the AC voltage of that step up transformer will be then converted with the help of three-phase converter to a rectifier. Okay, that will be a DC voltage, output voltage. That DC voltage will be fed to HVDC transmission line, and then at the receiving end, again we will be requiring a three-phase converter, which will be acting. Just a minute, huh? Which will be again acting as a inverter. Okay, so it will convert DC to AC, right? It will convert DC to AC, and again we need to again step up the voltage, output voltage. So we will be requiring a step up transformer, and then we will be getting the voltage at the receiving end. So that was the total overall discussion about HVDC transmission. So yesterday's class we have discussed about the advantages, disadvantages, single line diagram, equivalent circuit, and few equations we have discussed. Types of HVDC link we had started. So let us start the discussion of types of HVDC transmission line. So types. So today's topic is types of HVDC links. Okay, so there are it is of various type. So number one, which we have already discussed, but as because Divya is there, she was not present yesterday's class. So let me start from there, that point itself. Okay, so number one, there are total three types are there. Total three types are there. Okay, so we are starting with first one. First one is monopolar DC link. Monopolar DC link. So as the name suggests, mono means one. Monopolar DC link means we will be using only one conductor in this case. Okay, so now we will be discussing the single line diagram for this monopolar DC link. Okay, so this is a single line diagram of a monopolar DC link. So it is the sending end. I'm writing S. S means sending end. R means receiving end. Okay, so there are two three-phase converters are used. Like here you can see there. This one is acting as a AC to DC. So this is acting as a rectifier, and this one is acting as DC to AC. It was converting, so it is acting as inverter. Okay, so it is rectifier, this is inverter, and we are using a transformer to step up the voltage, and here at the receiving end we need another transformer to step down the transformer. And here we can say only we are using only one conductor as HVDC link. So this is your HVDC link. This is HVDC link. Okay, so only one wire is being used. And what about the return path? Return path is being connected with the help of ground. So return path is basically the ground path. And where these are being used, this monopolar DC link, these are basically used for cable transmission, for underground cable, for such kind of thing it is being used. So we need only one conductor in this case. That is why it is known as monopolar DC link. Okay, now next type. Is it over, Divya? Okay. Now the second one. Second one is bipolar DC link. Second type is bipolar DC link. So in bipolar DC link, as you can understand, bi means two. So there will be two conductors under this type. Okay. So let us discuss the diagram for this bipolar DC link diagram. This shows converters. Okay. So you can see here we have got two conductors. Huh? So first you complete the diagram and then tell me. Give the polarity sign. Upper HVDC link has got positive polarity, and the bottom one has got negative polarity. And this point is shorted. This is connected to ground. This is sending end. S means sending end, and R means receiving end. Diagram over. Okay, so here we can see this S stands for sending end and this R is the receiving end. So we need to supply power from sending end to receiving end, and this distance is very, very long distance. So for HVDC transmission line, yesterday's class we have understood that it is mainly used when we require to send bulk amount of power for a very long distance. Okay, so say you're sending and receiving end, between them the distance is very much and we need to provide a bulk power, huge amount of power. So then in that case we generally use HVDC transmission line, and this is your bipolar HVDC link, this type. So bipolar means two conductors. We'll be using two conductors in this case. So we will be using two conductors. One will have positive polarity and another one will have negative polarity. Okay, so you can see over here, one is used over here, another one, two pink lines you can see now on the top, and another one at the bottom side. So at the sending end, first we need to step up the voltage. Okay, and then we need take help of two three-phase converters, two numbers of three-phase converter. You can see two numbers of three-phase converters which are acting as rectifiers, converting AC to DC. Okay, so we are getting a DC over here. The pink line shows DC. Okay, and then on the receiving end side, once again we need converters, three-phase converter. These two are the converters which will be converting the DC to AC, and then we'll be needing two numbers of transformers, step down transformers, to step down the voltage, and finally we will be getting the voltage at the receiving end. Okay, so here we are basically using two numbers of HVDC link. Okay, one at the top, another one at the bottom. One is having positive polarity, another one is having negative polarity, and there will be a ground also. You can see this common point, this shorted point is connected with the ground. Okay, so this is about this one. And what about the rating of this? You can write down, this is rating for this. Note down the rating. Rating of this HVDC transmission line is plus minus 500 volt. Plus minus 500 volt means upper one will be carrying plus 500 volt and the bottom one will be carrying minus 500 volt. Plus minus 500 volt. Right? Now the third one. Okay, now the third one. Third one is your homopolar homopolar DC link. Homopolar DC link. So in homopolar DC link, we will be using two or more conductors with same polarity. We can use two or more conductors, but they should have same polarities. Same polarity means generally, usually negative polarity. Same polarity means what kind of polarity? Usually negative, can be positive, but usually negative polarity is being used. Okay, so two or more conductors with same polarities in this case. That is why homopolar. Homo means same polarity. Homo means same. So same polarity. Homopolar DC link. We can use two or more conductors with same polarity, usually negative polarity. Now it's circuit diagram. Over now this line. Shall I rub? Okay. So again two numbers of converters like this. These are transformers. Sending and receiving end. हम्म क्या हुआ? डायग्राम हमारा एक्चुअली नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा हो रहा है, मेरा भी अभी डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। अभी दिख रहा है ना? हाँ, इस टाइम में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो जा रहा है। ठीक है, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ, तुम लोग बना। पूरा आया भी नहीं? अभिषेक नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? ओह! अच्छा, नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम। मैंने पूरा बना लिया। ठीक है, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। जैसा दिखाई देगा ड्रॉ कर लेना। सेम डायग्राम है, पहला जैसा है ना सेम डायग्राम, बस वो फर्स्ट वाला पॉजिटिव था, नीचे नेगेटिव था, तो यहाँ पे दोनों ही नेगेटिव है, अदरवाइज सेम है पूरा डायग्राम। ठीक है, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ, देखो आएगा तो। जब आ जाए तो मुझे बोल देना थोड़ा, हाँ? अभी आ रहा है? अभिषेक पूरा आया? कंप्लीट कंप्लीट बना लिए? दिव्या? अच्छा ठीक है। तो दिव्या है या चली गई? अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा यहाँ पे इट्स सेम विद द प्रीवियस डायग्राम, खाली डिफरेंस क्या है, इसमें दो कंडक्टर्स हैं। HVDC लिंक जो है इट इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ टू कंडक्टर्स। ठीक है, सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन, सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग एंड, ओके, and two converters are there, these points are shorted, it's connected to the ground। यहाँ पे दो कंडक्टर्स है, you can see यहाँ पे ऊपर में एक है और एक नीचे में है, both are having negative polarity। ठीक है, इसलिए इसका नाम होमो है, होमोपोलर, मतलब दो या दो से ज्यादा कंडक्टर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, बट इसका पोलैरिटी सेम रहेगा, नेगेटिव पोलैरिटी। ओके, बट इसका डिसएडवांटेज है, इसका बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेजेस है, इसीलिए इसका जो एप्लीकेशन है ये लिमिटेड एप्लीकेशन है। इट हैज गॉट लिमिटेड एप्लीकेशन, बहुत कम यूज होता है इसका। ये डिसएडवांटेज है क्योंकि दोनों नेगेटिव है, ये डिसएडवांटेज है, इसीलिए इसका लिमिटेड एप्लीकेशन, बहुत कम ही जगह यूज होता है। सो मेनली ये जो तीन टाइप हम लोग डिस्कस किए, मोनोपोलर, बाइपोलर एंड होमोपोलर, मेजरली बाइपोलर इज यूज्ड। जनरली जो हम लोग का यूज होता है वो बाइपोलर यूज होता है। ठीक है, ओके। नाउ वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग द अनदर टॉपिक। रब करियो।